Hello guys, this is my channel Study with Ocean Ahuja, and today I am going to start with the new chapter, that is computer hardware for class 5th. So students, the first question that arises in our mind is that what is hardware? Hardware are the components, they are the components that we can see and touch. And what is software? The components of the computer that we can't touch, and see. And this gives instructions to hardware. Next topic is that what are the components of computer system? Components of computer system. There are how many components of computer system? There are mainly two components of the computer system. Again, they are hardware and they are software. I have explained both of them earlier. This is software and this is hardware. So next is, what are the hardware components of system? So students, there are various hardware components that make up a computer system, and they can broadly be divided into three categories. Their three categories are: first is input devices, second is output devices, and third is components in CPU box. Now here, first of all, the question arises that what are the input devices? Input devices are the devices that take instructions from the user and give us the output. So data and instructions, they must be entered into a computer system in order to carry out various tasks. So the data entry tasks are carried out by the input devices. Now we have some of the input devices, like we have keyboard. In computer we have keyboard, we are having mouse, we are having joystick, we are having light pen, microphone, graphic tablet, touch screen, barcode reader. We are having many of the input devices like MICR also we are having in this, MICR. So now what is the full form of this MICR? That is magnetic ink character recognition. Let us write it, magnetic ink character recognition. So these are the input devices that we are having. So now what do we mean by the input devices? We have learned, examples we have learned. Now one by one I would like to explain all the examples of input devices. The first one is joystick. What is a joystick? Joystick is an input device which is used to change the cursor, the position of the cursor or any other device or object on the screen. It is used to change the position of the cursor on the screen or any other object. It is mainly used in playing games. It is mainly used in playing games. It is used in playing games. So next is the light pen. It is also an input device and it is shaped like a pen. It is shaped like a pen and it is connected to VDU. Now what is the full form of VDU? That is Visual Display Unit. It allows the user to draw or point to objects on the monitor. It allows the user to draw or point the objects on the monitor. Microphone is used to input sound. So our next input device is microphone. You have heard it many times and as well as it can be available at your homes. So it is an input device used to input sound into the computer. And it is also used to record voice. So next input device is graphic tablet. It is an input device, as we have learned earlier that there are many input devices and this is also an example of input device. So it is used to draw images and pictures. It is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen. So guys, this is as similar as we draw something with a pencil on the paper. Like we do drawing on the paper, same as we have to do the drawing on the tablet. So that tablet is known as graphic tablet. Now, a graphic tablet, it consists of a flat surface. What it is consist of? It is consist of a flat surface on which we can draw using a pen-like drawing device called stylus. So now, if we have to draw something on this graphic tablet, we also need to some device that can draw on this, that can be show the drawing or written material on this. So that tablet consists of a flat surface on which a user can draw using a pen-like drawing device that is called stylus. So our next input device is barcode reader. Now what is this barcode reader, guys? It is a device used to read barcodes. It is a device that is used to read barcodes. Now a barcode, it is a pattern. What is a barcode? It is a pattern. It is a pattern printed in lines of different thickness different thickness on many products. On many products. So our next input device is touch screen. What is a touch screen? So now, what is touch screen? A touch screen is a touch sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. So what is it? It is a touch sensitive computer display screen. Touch sensitive computer display screen. So now, next thing is it can identify the presence and position of a touch inside the display. It can identify the touch. Next input device that we are having is MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition or recognition, you can say. We can also write it recognition. Better to write recognition. Next is the number codes at the bottom of the checks are written using a special ink that is called magnetic ink. So where it is used in the numbers that are in the numbers or codes present at the bottom of the check.